Did you know YouTube is off limits in China? But that hasn't stopped them from cashing in big time. Today, I'll spill the beans on their underground money-making method. It's a game changer, and you're about to get the inside scoop. Get ready, because we're about to uncover a goldmine you never knew existed. Ready to join the ranks of the YouTube mavericks? Let's dive in. Step 1. Finding the videos. To start your search for viral videos, head to the Kuaishou app, a platform known for its diverse and engaging content. Once there, focus on identifying videos that have garnered significant views and engagement. These metrics indicate that the content resonates with audiences and has the potential to go viral. Pay attention to the types of videos that are popular, whether they are funny, heartwarming, informative, or entertaining in some unique way. By understanding what captures people's attention, you can tailor your own content to appeal to a wider audience. When exploring the Kuaishou app, keep in mind the importance of finding a niche that aligns with your interests and style. Viral content often thrives within specific communities or themes, so identifying a channel or content creator whose vibe matches yours can be key to creating content that resonates with viewers. Whether you're drawn to comedy, beauty, cooking, or any other category, focusing on a niche that you are passionate about can help you stand out in a crowded digital landscape. By immersing yourself in content that speaks to you, you can better understand what makes certain videos go viral and apply those insights to your own creations. Always take note of the storytelling techniques, editing styles, and trends that contribute to a video's success. Pay attention to how creators engage with their audience, the pacing of their videos, and the visual elements that make their content compelling. By analyzing successful videos, you can glean valuable insights into what resonates with viewers and apply those learnings to your own content creation process. Remember, while it's important to draw inspiration from viral videos, it's equally crucial to infuse your unique voice and perspective into your content to make it stand out and connect with your audience on a deeper level. In conclusion, the journey to creating viral videos on platforms like Kuaishou involves a combination of research, creativity, and authenticity. By immersing yourself in the platform, identifying popular content within your niche, and studying the elements that contribute to a video's virality, you can enhance your own content creation strategy. Remember to stay true to your voice, experiment with different formats, and engage with your audience to foster a loyal following. With dedication, creativity, and a keen eye for what resonates with viewers, you can increase your chances of creating viral content that captivates and entertains audiences on Kuaishou and beyond. Step 2. Downloading the video. When you discovered a video you really like on Kuaishou, the next step is to save it for yourself. Simply copy the video link from the platform, and then use a Kuaishou video downloader tool to download it onto your device. These tools are designed to make the process quick and straightforward, so you can easily get your hands on the content you want. Once you've downloaded the video, you'll have it stored locally on your device, ready to watch whenever you like. Having the ability to download Kuaishou videos opens up a world of possibilities. You can save your favorite videos to watch offline, share them with friends and family, or even use them for creative projects. By using a video downloader, you can ensure that you always have access to the content that matters most to you. It's a simple and effective way to make sure you never miss out on the videos that bring you joy or inspiration. With your newly downloaded Kuaishou video in hand, you have the freedom to enjoy it at your convenience. Whether you want to rewatch it multiple times, save it for future reference, or use it in your own content creation, having the video saved locally gives you the flexibility to do so. By taking advantage of video downloaders, you can build a library of your favorite Kuaishou videos, creating a personalized collection that reflects your interests and tastes. So go ahead, start downloading those gems and make the most of your Kuaishou experience. Step 3. Crafting the script. The mystical art of translating Chinese script into English. It's like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics, but with a modern twist. With the help of AI transcription tools like Auris, we can unveil the secrets hidden within those elegant characters. A digital Sherlock Holmes solving a linguistic puzzle with a dash of futuristic flair. As we feed the script into the AI transcription tool, it's like sending a message in a bottle across the digital seas, hoping for a witty reply. The AI, with its electronic brain and lightning-fast algorithms, dances through the characters like a graceful martial artist, decoding each stroke with precision and finesse. It's a high-tech tango between man and machine, where language barriers crumble like a house of cards. Imagine the AI whispering in binary code, "Fear not, dear viewer, for I shall unveil the mysteries of this ancient script with a click of my virtual pen." As the English translation emerges, it's like a magician revealing a trick, mesmerizing and enchanting. The once enigmatic Chinese characters now dance in English, telling tales of emperors, dragons, and perhaps a lost recipe for the perfect dumpling. In this digital age of wonders, where technology and language intertwine, the AI becomes our witty companion, turning a mundane task into a whimsical adventure. So let's embrace the magic of AI, sprinkle some humor into the mix, and watch as the ancient script transforms into a modern-day masterpiece of wit and charm. Step 4. Generating voiceovers. It's time to take your storytelling to the next level by selecting the right voices for your characters. Choosing human voices over automated ones can make a significant difference in the emotional impact of your content. The human voice has the ability to convey a range of emotions and nuances that can't be replicated by machines. By selecting the right voices, you can bring your characters to life and create a deeper connection with your audience. One platform that can help you find the perfect voices for your script is 11 Labs. They offer a range of voice talent options, from experienced actors to fresh new voices. With their help, you can find the right voice for each character, ensuring that your story is told in the most engaging and impactful way possible. When choosing voices, it's important to consider the personality and characteristics of each character. For example, a young and energetic character might benefit from a voice that is upbeat and lively, while a more serious or mature character might require a voice that is more measured and authoritative. By matching the voice to the character, you can create a more immersive and believable world for your audience to get lost in. In addition to selecting the right voices, it's also important to consider the quality of the audio. Poor audio quality can distract from the story and detract from the overall viewing experience. Make sure to invest in high-quality recording equipment and editing software to ensure that your audio is clear, crisp, and free from distractions. With the right voices and audio quality, your characters will jump off the screen and into your viewers' hearts, creating a memorable and impactful experience that they'll never forget. Step 5. Editing. To start editing, you'll want to make sure you have all the necessary components for your video. This includes the audio file with your voices, the video footage, and any sound effects or transitions you want to include. Next, you'll need to use a video editing software like CapCut to merge the audio and video together. Start by importing both the audio and video files into the software. Then, use the audio waveform as a guide to sync the voices with the character's lips in the video. This will ensure that the voices and actions match up seamlessly. Once you have the audio and video synced, you can add in some extra touches to make your video even more engaging. Consider adding in some funny sound effects to enhance the comedic moments in your audio. You can also use transitions to smoothly move from one scene to the next. When adding in sound effects and transitions, make sure they don't distract from the main content of the video. Instead, they should enhance the overall viewing experience. In summary, using a video editing software like CapCut to merge your audio and video together is a great way to create a seamless and engaging video. Just make sure to sync the voices with the character's lips and add in some fun sound effects and transitions to take it to the next level. And there you have it. Your masterpiece is ready to roll. Remember, this is just the beginning. Get out there and create your own unique content. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to support us, hit that like button and consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching and happy money making!